Hello everybody, this is Doug from Darkwater North. We're going to take a look at the Kershaw Outright. This knife has been around from about 2018 it came out. This is the Outright Black. It has a flipper here, some jimping on the handle. Once the knife is deployed, there's some jimping on the back of the blade. Dual thumb studs, as you can see. A right hand tip down carry pocket knife only. It's not transferable anywhere else on the blade. This is some G10 scale here on the one side. The other side you can clearly see the frame lock and the pocket clip. 4 ounces in weight, overall 7 inches long. It fits in the hand very comfortably, no hot spots, you know what I mean? And for the things you're going to do with a small pocket knife like this, very handy. And we have a swept up blade here with a swedge out of it, and we got a hollow grind blade, grind on the blade here. And the steel is the HCR 13 mauve, Chinese steel, yes, but for the affordability of it, that's what I would say the 3 best things about this knife are: it's affordable, the size is a great size for 2, and the third one would be the quality. It's very well made, very sturdy, very strong little pocket knife. And for all those reasons, hey, you ought to pick it up if you have a chance. I know you've probably seen them around on other videos, so hey, don't worry about it. It is a good little pocket knife. Came razor sharp out of the box, of course, and the flipper is ideal, like one-handed open, boom. It's open just like that. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to struggle with it. Now, you can try and open it with the thumb studs as well, of course, and that works as well, but it's a little more inconvenient. But for closing it, it's not a bad deal. But for open, just use the flipper. Bang, it's open. It has a really strong opening in there and assist, so that's excellent. You know, for one-handed opening, you can't go wrong. Now, closing it, I don't find it a big deal either. Some people say there's quite a bit of resistance there, but the more of the inconvenience is trying to use the thumb stud to open it when you're used to that, you know. But I wouldn't bother, just go right to the flipper and it's open instantly, right? Now, this is the Outright Black, and it's by Kershaw. You could find it pretty much at any knife store, I'm sure, or on Amazon. I'll try and leave a link in the description. Thanks for your time. Please give this a like and a thumbs up there. So share the video if you so desire. And please subscribe to the channel. This is Doug from Darkwater North saying have a good day and thanks for your time. Bye for now.